Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through solutions for high CPU usage when nothing appears to be running in Task Manager. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing high CPU usage and Task Manager does not show any demanding applications, the first and simplest solution is to restart your computer. To do this, right-click on your Start button, then select Shut Down or Sign Out, and finally choose Restart from the options presented. Another common cause for unexpected CPU usage can be pending system updates. To check for these, right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab and allow it to load. Once there, go to Advanced Options, then select Optional Updates. Install any available optional updates. After that, return to the main Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates again to ensure your system is fully up to date. Finally, malware can also be the culprit behind high CPU consumption. Windows has a built-in tool to help with this. Search for MRT in your Windows search bar. This will launch the malware removal tool. It may take a few moments to load. Once it is ready, click on Next. Select the full scan option, and then click on Next again. Allow the tool to complete its scan. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.